Hello there, nice to see you again. Let's continue comparing the adjectives. Let's check out the examples we have here. Uh, Comparative adjectives on page number 43. We've got short adjectives long, large, heavy, and hot. Basically, you've got to speak the sound in the end are longer, heavier, hotter, you know? So here's the rule: if the adjective finishes in consonant, oops, if the adjective finishes in a consonant like long, longer, plus the word than, plus the word than. If the adjective finishes in the letter E, large, you don't need to repeat the letter E, you just add one more R. Larger than. Heavy is the same. You have an adjective that finishes in Y letter. So in this case, you remove the Y letter and you add IER. So heavy, something is heavier than. Okay. An elephant is heavier than a dog, or an elephant is heavier than a car. And finally, when you have the sequence consonant, vowel, and consonant, like hot, CVC, you double you double the last consonant plus ER. So I would say Africa is hotter than Europe. Africa is hotter than Europe. The north of Argentina is hotter than the south of Argentina. This is the rule for short adjectives. Remember, the short adjectives are the ones that have one or two syllables. Long, large, heavy, hot, big. Those are considered short adjectives. But we also have the long adjectives. Can you give me an example of long adjectives? Can you think of more long adjectives? Comical, important, beautiful. In this case, the rule says you need the word more, the adjective than. So you can say African elephant, African elephants are more intelligent than Asian elephants. It's just an example. I'm sure you can think about better examples. You can think about other examples comparing with long adjectives. All right, very good. So you can see here Asian elephants. In reality, Asian elephants are more intelligent than the African elephants. Okay, Asians elephants are more intelligent, heavier, bigger, longer. And we also have the regular adjectives. In this case, you don't follow this rule. You need just memorize that something can be good, other things can be better than. They are better Then, uh, here, take a look at this one. They are better. Asian elephants are better at following instructions. So you don't say gooder, it doesn't exist. You say better, better than, better. You play some sport better than I play. Okay, I am speaking English this year better than I was last year. Okay, you are speaking English this year better than last year. And when something is bad, when we compare, we say it is worse. Okay, they do something worse than I do. They play worse than I play because I play better. All right. And far, which means distant, something is further than. Okay. We're talking about distance here, something that is further. And no, we don't say more far. It doesn't exist. It's farther. All right. We use then to make comparisons. Here it says we use them to make comparisons. Sue is taller than me. Sue is taller. I am shorter than Sue. Sue is taller. I am shorter. Sue is big or Sue is fat. Sue is fatter than me, or I am fast. I am faster than John. I am faster than Peter. You make any comparison you want. You know, you can compare people, you can compare things, you can compare food, you can compare whatever. Intelligent. Sue is more intelligent intelligent than Peter. Okay, then let's put this Peter. Here we go. Sue is more intelligent than Peter. Here we got the long adjective plus the word than. So this is the rule, more adjective than. Sue is more intelligent than Peter. But we could say Peter Peter is what? Faster, um, better, I don't know, than Peter is faster than Sue. We need just to. Peter is faster than Sue. And that's all. This is the basically the rule. Long adjectives, short adjectives. You remember that, and and it's good enough. Here we got some short adjectives. You need to change them, like cold. How is the comparative for cold? Dry, wet, high, or big? Here we have the first example. The Atacama Desert is colder than the Arabian Desert. The Atacama Desert is colder than. Short adjective. Whoops. We've got this short adjective, cold, plus er, colder. The Atacama Desert is colder. Dry, hot, wet. What do you do when it's more? When we are comparing más húmedo, how do you compare this? So, más mojado. How do you change this into a comparison? All right. So, yes, the exercise is bringing us the Atacama Desert and the Arabian Desert, and we can compare the both. We can compare them. How much rain, how hot. The Atacama Desert, 25 Celsius degree, and the Arabian Desert, 50 Celsius degree. Which one is which one has more temperature? You tell me using one of those adjectives. Okay? So I'm gonna give you this one. I can write here like this. The Atacama is more temperature. It means the Atacama is hotter than. All right. You can do the rest. You try to do on your own, and then if you have any question, you ask me again. All right. Very, very good. I'm sure you're gonna get all these answers.